2000 में मैंने शो किया था लैक्मे में, एसोसिएशन शो में थी। उसके बाद मैंने फैशन शोज मैंने किए, जो मिस पूना, मिसेस महाराष्ट्र वगैरह, उसमें मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। उसके बाद जैसे मैंने खुद की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टार्ट की तो मैंने एसोसिएशन शोज में पार्टिसिपेट किया। अभी मैं यहाँ पे काम करती हूँ, तो मेरी इवेंट कंपनी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कंपनी में काम करती हूँ।
Wonderful. Thank you, Trupti.
Thank you, ma'am.
And lastly, we have AK Shivaganga. Can you hear us? I believe you've joined from 2 devices. Okay, in the meantime, Trupti, can you tell us what some of your hobbies are? What do you enjoy doing?
माय हॉबीज, मुझे पेंटिंग करना अच्छा लगता है, ट्रैवलिंग अच्छा लगता है, और जैसे अलग अलग लोगों से मिलना मुझे अच्छा लगता है। तो ये मेरी हॉबीज है। उसके बाद मैं बैडमिंटन प्लेयर रही हूँ, नेशनल बैडमिंटन प्लेयर हूँ मैं। तो बैडमिंटन में अभी भी खेलती हूँ या फिर ट्रेनिंग्स प्रोवाइड करती हूँ।
Wonderful. तो आप खुद को कहाँ देखती है 5 साल में? Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
आफ्टर 5 इयर्स मुझे तो अभी मैं महाराष्ट्र में अगर कुछ काम कर रही हूँ तो आउट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र या फिर इंडिया के लिए काम करना चाहती हूँ। तो मेरी जो कंपनी है उसको मैं एक नेशनल लेवल पे देखना चाहती हूँ आफ्टर 5 इयर्स, और खुद को भी उसी लेवल पे मैं एक वर्ल्ड वाइड लेवल पे मुझे खुद को देखना चाहती हूँ।
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you.
Okay, AK Shivaganga, can we please have your video? आपने 2 डिवाइस से लॉगिन किया हुआ है, and we can see you from none, unfortunately. Please थोड़ा चेक कीजिए। Let's wait for 2 and see if she can figure out, coming again. Yeah. Anuja, I've asked the team to get in touch with her, so just like let's wait for just 2 more minutes and then we'll take a call if we have to proceed or not.
Sure.
Hi, can you hear us?
Hear me? Hear me?
Anuja, can you please make me the host again? I lost network, so there was some issue. Thank you. Okay, I guess we'll have to take her on WhatsApp or something. So maybe I'll need to. All right, Anuja, you can carry on. I think we can put her into another lot. Yeah.
All right. So thank you so much, ladies, for giving us a brief about where you all come from and what you all exactly do. So first of all, of course, welcome to FSI, and your process has begun. And people who go through this and who get selected will go through an extensive training. You all can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Sorry, I thought I lost audio. All right. So you also go through an extensive training where 150 plus trainers from our end will train you on various aspects, right from ramp walk to nutrition, styling, everything. How you present yourself and how you become better as an individual is something that we're going to work on. And Harry will give you a proper brief on how this process will move forward and what are the next steps. Harry, on to you.
Thank you so much, Anuja. Thank you so much. And first of all, welcome to Forever Star India, ladies. आज आपका first step complete होता है into this journey of becoming the best versions of yourself. And this is just the beginning. Because इसके बाद what is coming on board, I will be talking about that in detail. But starting from the scratch, आज आपके audition complete होने के बाद within 48 hours. Did I lost audio in between, Anuja?
Excuse me, ma'am. Your audio isn't.
Yeah. Is it better now?
Yeah.
Yes, Harry,
Okay.
we missed a part. So
Okay.
yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead.
All right. So like I was saying, आज का audition complete होने के बाद within 48 hours आपको एक audition report email कर दी जाएगी, which will basically clarify your selection or non-selection. And the idea behind that is to keep every step very transparent, because what happens is आज के लिए भी आपने मेहनत करी है, you bring your best foot forward and you've given your input. You should know where you stand. उसका result आपको मिलना चाहिए. This is something that no beauty pageant has done so far, because the idea is to ensure that you know where you stand, what are your weak points and where you can improve in future, to ensure that, you know, even in future everything will be very, very transparent. And once you get selected, you know, after your audition gets completed and you receive the audition report, you will be eligible to receive lifetime membership of Forever Star India. Now what do I mean when I say Forever Star India ki lifetime membership? Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. It is trying to build a community of like-minded women, jahan pe we are just looking for people who are passionate to make a mark for themselves. You know, it's not just about the crown here, it's something more bigger than that, larger than that. Because if you have this passion, you know, agar aapne wo chaha hai apne liye ek alag pehchan banane ki, apne aap ko prove karne ki, we will ensure that you receive those opportunities directly without any intermediary involved. Now what happens when I say कि lifetime membership है, usually होता है कि pageant खत्म हो गया, you know, the project is over, what next? Lifetime membership का हमारे से क्या association है? When I say lifetime membership, it means इस platform के through जो भी opportunities हम generate करेंगे, depending on your potential, you will be receiving access to those opportunities. I guess there is some network issue. So you will be receiving access to those opportunities directly, you know, on the front panel. Now what happens is, suppose for example next year हम अपना खुद का OTT platform launch करने वाले हैं. I'm sure you guys are very well aware how OTT has helped us in these COVID times. You know, be it Hotstar, Amazon, Netflix, digital content has ruled the media and the entertainment industry. So we will be looking for actors, singers, choreographers from you guys. आप ही लोग हमारे आगे जाके उन प्रोफाइल के मेंबर्स बनोगे, एंड यू नो यू विल बी अप्लाइंग फॉर दोज चांसेस डायरेक्टली बिना किसी थर्ड पार्टी इन्वॉल्वमेंट के. द आइडिया इज टू क्रिएट दैट स्पेस कि इफ यू हैव द टैलेंट, इफ यू हैव द पोटेंशियल, वी विल गिव यू द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड द प्लेटफॉर्म टू इम्प्रूव ऑन इट, टू वर्क ऑन इट. नाउ ये आ गया बात की अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस इवेंचुअली. देयर विल बी फर्दर मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज, इवन बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर दैट मैटर. अगर आप, you know, if Shutrita says that she's a classical dancer, we might collaborate with her next year as a trainer on board. She might be choreographing some of the participants, helping them out. So आपका बस input चाहिए, आपका बस talent चाहिए. We are here to improve that, to work on that, you know, because we have people from all across the country, and by people I mean experts from all across the country, including Anuja Chafekar, who will be grooming you, you know, in training sessions जो virtual होंगे. आपकी हर एक प्रोफाइल पे काम किया जाएगा. बी इट, अगर आपको लगता है आपकी स्टाइलिंग you know it's good enough but आपकी presentation थोड़ी average है, या आपको लगता है कि आपकी diet पे काम करना चाहिए, या you think you know your makeup is something that you need to work on, we will provide you the right people who will groom you up close and personal in the virtual sessions, you know. So we have profiles like stylists, designers, makeup artists, you know, and image consultants who are internationally certified, be it Anuja Chafekar and numerous more. We have न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, डाइटिशियंस, रैम्बॉक एक्सपर्ट्स. आज भी आप लोगों ने देखा होगा आपकी रैम्बॉक में कितना, यू नो, देयर इज सो मच स्कोप फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट, बिकॉज टेक्निकलिटीज होती हैं, देयर इज ऑलवेज अ बेटर वे टू लर्न अबाउट इट. सो वी आर हियर टू इंश्योर कि आप लोगों को वो ग्रूमिंग मिले, वो ट्रेनिंग मिले, यू नो, यू जस्ट नीड टू हैव द पैशन टू डू इट. You know, आप लोगों का जो idea है to break stereotypes that women can achieve anything and everything in this world, no matter what, that needs to be there, and we are here to, you know, boost that passion and, you know, enhance on it, work on it. Now coming to basic benefits, जैसे मैंने कहा रहेंगे, each of you will be receiving a sash, each of you will be receiving a digital certificate of participation. 4 months down the lane, when you will be searching, you know, Miss India Soumya, Miss India Trupti, Miss India Darshana, आप लोगों का गूगल रैंकिंग में नाम टैब पे ऑटोमेटिकली थर्ड या फोर्थ टैब पे आ जाएगा, बिकॉज वी विल बी क्रिएटिंग योर प्रोफाइल, वी विल बी बूस्टिंग इट, एंड ये सारे बेनिफिट्स, देयर आर न्यूमरस मोर. आप वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे, यू कैन चेक, दीज विल बी इंश्योर्ड टू यू, चाहे आप जीते या ना जीते, जीतना इज अ बात की बात. एंड कमिंग टू, यू नो, हाउ यू विल एक्सेस दोज राउंड्स ऑल्सो, there will be 350 plus crownings. It's not just one winner for us. 350 plus women will be crowned on a single platform. City winners, state winners, national level winners, various subtitles. So मौके बहुत सारे हैं. And to clarify, what happens next is after you receive the audition report, you will have to pay a participation fee of 3,500 plus GST, which will ensure आपको grooming training सब virtually घर बैठे मिले, so that you don't have to think of putting yourself at risk in these times. And expertise of experts who are nationally certified, internationally certified, just by sitting at your comfort spaces in your homes. Because these experts usually belong to Mumbai, Delhi, and it's very unfair for us to expect you to travel all the way around just to avail the training sessions. So that has been kept in mind and prioritized. Safety has been ensured. Now, if I talk about how we work from here, 350 plus crownings and mauke hain, rounds honge, and you will be eligible to appear in all the rounds. It's not going to be कि एक round हो गया, elimination हो गया, and then you are, no, आपको तीनों rounds के लिए अलग-अलग trainings होंगी, आपकी अलग-अलग rounds होंगे, and you will be appearing for all the rounds no matter what. Then we will decide कि आपका average performance क्या है. Because even when we put our best foot forward, कभी-कभी होता है कि कोई दिन हमारा होता ही नहीं है. We end up messing up. But then that is the idea, to give you enough chances to prove yourself. आज अगर आपको लग रहा होगा कि यार I could have done this better, you will always think काश मुझे एक और मौका मिल जाए, I would do better. We are here to give you those maukas so that कि अगर आप में वो talent है, to work on yourself, to improve yourself, we will give you the platform. So a basic idea ही, uplifting the passion of women who are really passionate to make a mark for themselves, to break stereotypes and to work on themselves consistently. जो forever star India है, वो forever literal value hold करता है, because आपकी profile हमारी website पे forever के लिए हो जाएगी, and we will be associated to you as community members for forever. और जैसे कि मैंने कहा, आप pageant जीते ना जीते, आप आगे की जो community के जो भी opportunities होंगी, be it for becoming an actor, for becoming a choreographer, for becoming a trainer next year, आप उन सबको access कर पाएंगे, and your winning will not define it. You should just have the talent for it. Now, अब मैं बात करूं आपसे हमारे input की, there is just a very basic input that we want. I am putting in details of Forever Star India in the chat box. So make sure you take a screenshot, okay, and follow us on all these platforms and start creating content. Now, what happens is that, ये एक जरिया है, it's just an open door so that आपका content आपके control में हो. You know how to work on it. So that there is this freedom to showcase your talent, to highlight it in the right format, and ताकि हमें पता चलता रहे कि this candidate holds the potential for this. Tag us in your content so that we get to know कि आप में क्या-क्या talents हैं, and then of course जब मौका आएगा तो we will be using and accessing those talents right up front. So that would be the idea, and I hope I made sense. After you receive the audition report, customer care team will be calling you to explain the further process in detail. But अभी भी कोई confusion है तो आप लोग मुझसे अभी पूछ सकते हैं. I am open to answering all kinds of questions. Is there anything? Poonam, Trupti, Soumya, कोई confusion हो, कोई सवाल हो? All right, thank you so much. That was wonderful. It was wonderful meeting all of you. Thank you so much. And we are really, really looking forward to see you in the training sessions. All the very best for your journey, and have a lovely, lovely day ahead. That's a goodbye from me and Anuja, and we shall see you soon.
See you all, and wishing you all the very best. Have a great day.
So I request all of you to leave the meeting so that we can continue. Okay, Anuja, I guess there is only that AK1 left, and I will take her on WhatsApp. That's not an issue. So we're done for the day. I guess we did 11 people here, right?
12, according to me.
12 was AK, so she didn't appear.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Okay. All right.
That's 11. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you
See
so
you.
much. Have a good day. Bye.
You too. Bye.